Well, thank you so much. It is an honor for my firm to receive this award with the two other marvelous firms that have done so much good work in this area. And we deeply appreciate being thought of as part of that group. I think we also have to remember that I wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be involved in this work had it not been for the fact that Robin and the project reached out to our firm. I remember when Glenn McGinnis was about to be executed and the final petition to stay his execution needed to be filed. The partner that had been working on the file left the firm. They needed a partner to take his place. I reviewed the petition, signed it as a partner 15 years ago, and 3 weeks later they killed my client. Until then, I'd been involved in bankruptcy litigation, civil litigation. I'd never had a client killed. And I began to understand at that point that death is different, as the cases frequently say. And from that point forward, I've been involved in death penalty work, but the firm's work goes far beyond when I began working in the area. And indeed, our Dorsey's death penalty representation really has become part of the fabric of our firm. We always have at least 2, sometimes 3 major cases going on. And they provide great experiences for the lawyers in our firm. It's also an honor to be presented this award in the presence of Justice Stevens, who is one of my heroes in terms of someone who has a deep and abiding commitment to justice and equality. As I said, death is different. And for those of us in our day jobs who do bankruptcy litigation or patent litigation, to be involved in a death penalty project is really to practice in a different dimension. And the different dimension is that you believe that in some small way you're actually advancing the cause of justice. And for me, that is what makes this kind of representation so rewarding. And for me, that's why I get back a lot more than I give on every death penalty project on which I've been honored to work. So let's continue to work together. I think the rabbi was right. I think Justice Harlan in the McGoutha case had it right, that it is not possible for human beings to devise a formula that can be applied in advance to ascertain which individuals are deserving of death. The conclusion I take from that is the same conclusion the rabbi reached, that although in theory some may be deserving of execution, we human beings haven't gotten around to devising a system that can implement that theory. So thank you very much.